The Maverick takes one more crack at this Leon Bailey, JFF, Craig Butler standoff this evening, after Butler said yet again that Leon Bailey will not play for Jamaica unless he, Butler, is given a role in charting a philosophical course for Jamaica's football by the JFF. One of the main things that people are saying is that this sets a bad precedent, because any other agent or manager whose player gets called up to the national team will now start to make demands and compel the JFF to negotiate. And people saying that is dangerous. And if that is the case, make Butler go and forget about Leon Bailey. I see things differently. First of all, Leon Bailey is a unique talent that is worth negotiating for. If he was a regular little normal baller, we'll run with him and Craig Butler a long time. Therefore, any agent or manager who produces a Jamaican player of the caliber of Leon Bailey earn the right to negotiate. I would love if Jamaica would produce 4, 5, 6, or 7 Leon Baileys. Make the 5, 6, 7 agents them come with them demands, and we negotiate with them 5, 6, 7 times. This thing about bad and dangerous precedent is foolishness. I would put it even further and implore Jamaican managers and agents out there to go forth and produce and inspire players of the quality of Leon Bailey and come with the demands, make we negotiate. That is a good problem to have. You see, we have to understand that in this life, we have to give and take and take and give. It's called negotiations. You understand? Negotiation. You understand?